Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So, friends, this is part 6 of chapter number 2 is Matter Around Us Pure, NCERT textbook class 9. In this video, we will learn about separation mixtures of immiscible and miscible liquid. So, let's start. But before starting, let me remind you to subscribe the channel and press the like button. So, friends, what is immiscible liquid? Before learning the separation method, we should know about the immiscible liquids. So the definition for this is two liquids which are not mixed properly are called immiscible liquids. Liquids not mixed properly are called immiscible liquids. और इसके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हो सकते हैं? हमारे पास है ऑयल एंड वाटर, या फिर kerosene plus water. So if we have oil and water mixture, how to separate it? The process is called, the apparatus what we can use it called separating funnel. It is a funnel shaped apparatus, something like that. Okay. And here also one stop cork is there. So what, we will fix it on the stand like that. We'll put one beaker over here. And what we will do, we will fill the mixture in this tank, separating funnel. After putting this and leave it for few hours, what will happen? The water will come in lower level and the oil will go to the upper level. Why this is happening? This is happening because there is a difference in the densities of oil and water. So the main idea of using separating funnel is when we have two liquids which are immiscible and have different densities, then only we can use separating funnel to separate these two liquids. So the main idea is liquids which have different densities can be separated by separating funnel. Okay, so this is called our separating funnel, and here it is oil, here it is water. Okay, so when there is water and oil separated, we can see easily that the two layers are formed. We will open the stopwatch and collect all the water here, and then again we close the watch, and again we'll remove the beaker, we will put some new beaker and collect the oil separately in the separate beaker. So this is the whole story of separating funnel, using separating funnel to separate two immiscible liquids. Now let's come to the miscible liquids. If we have a mixture of immiscible liquids, how could we separate them? So for what is miscible liquids? Liquids which are mixed properly are called miscible liquids. So I can write liquids which are mixed properly together are called miscible liquids. So the example of this is acetone and water. One more example is alcohol and water. So if we have a mixture of acetone and water, how could we separate it? The main idea what we are going to use is acetone and water has different boiling points, and using this point we can separate it using distillation method. Okay, so for distillation method the apparatus should be like, we have one round flask that is used for boiling, and that is condenser will be attached to this flask, and one thermometer should also be attached. So condenser should be in like this. Condenser is used to cool down the vapors, and whatever will we will collect here in this beaker. Okay, so here we will heat up the mixture. This should be the apparatus set. So we will, so first of all we will take a flask and we will put acetone water mixture over here. This is acetone plus water. Okay, and when we will boil the mixture, we will see, because acetone has boiling point of 65 degree. So first of all acetone will boil because water has 100 degrees temperature for boiling. So as the temperature reaches 65, the acetone start boiling and acetone vapors will come out from the mixture, and it will go up, and from there, from the condenser it will go through the condenser. Here water is there in the condenser, which will help the acetone vapors to cool down, and acetone will come in the form of liquid here, and we will collect it in the beaker. So this is called distillation method. Okay. So in this way we will collect all the acetone before the water will start boiling. Acetone will boil for at 65 degrees centigrade, and we will notice that while the acetone is evaporating, the temperature is still. The temperature will not increase when the acetone is boiling. So after few minutes, we will notice that again temperature start rising. That point we will understand that all the acetone, whatever is in the mixture, came out, and now only water is there. So in this way two miscible liquids are separated. So here at last we will get the water in the round flask, and in the beaker acetone. This is called condenser. This is our thermometer. Okay. Now the idea is liquids which have different boiling points can be separated by distillation method. And this whole story is called distillation method. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any doubts, you can write a comment. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.